Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 2 of these wooden pallets as well as these 2 house shelf sitters, both from Dollar Tree. All 4 of those pieces I paint with Cottage white chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. And then I'm taking these rub-on transfers that are from Timeless Designs. You can get them on Amazon. And I cut off different sections that I want to use, remove the backing from them, place them down onto the houses, use the little tool that it comes with, and rub the transfer onto the house shape. So the part that I'm putting the lemons on is actually the back side of the shelf sitter, so it doesn't have as much of a space from the frame to the center of it. I do that on both of the house shapes. Next, I take one of the pallets, and at the very edge of it, I'm putting some hot glue and then placing that inside the little house. So this is the front part of the house. It has a deeper area to place the pallets down inside. I do the same with the other pallet, adding hot glue and placing it down, and then add some hot glue to the other ends of the pallets, and then take the other house shape and tuck the pallets inside that. Next, I'm taking some craft sticks. These I also got from Dollar Tree, and this will just be my base for the bottom. I take each of those and I hot glue them to the bottom portion of the frame of the houses. I then am taking this small dowel and lining it up between the 2 frames at the top and cutting that down to size and painting that with the same cottage white color. Then add some hot glue into the very point of the frames on the inside and then add the dowel. And then I also paint the bottom of the craft sticks just so it all matches. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.